our child's brain, it is built to co-regulate with us, meaning it literally needs this adult in its life to help it learn how to emotionally regulate, how to get back to equilibrium. It needs us. And so the better we are able to regulate our emotions, the better we are able to come to a situation where they are obviously dysregulated. Maybe they're fighting their sister. Maybe they're just have a big attitude with us, whatever the case may be. When they're acting like that, that is a big red flag that their nervous system is activated. And what we want to do, if we want them to calm down, is not go and give them a consequence. Now we're just activating their nervous system more. No, if you understand the body, what we want to do is give them a place for their nervous system to calm back down. Yes, this is what we want to do. We have not been taught this.